All right, so this is a sneak peek at the AISEOUX link building cheat sheet, the legendary AISEOUX link building cheat sheet. So believe it or not, I've actually been working on this cheat sheet for about 5 years now. I've been tweaking it, editing it, adding links, removing links for about 5 years. So this is the AISEOUX edition, version 1.2, and basically the newest version. And why is this important? So like link building and SEO is key. Like you need links. These are the easy to get links. I would define these as the easy to obtain links that are free. I believe all of these are free. This is perfect for anybody that's new to SEO, starting off SEO, anybody that's experienced with SEO. There's some great strategy in here as well, and links that you may not have thought of, especially like the video links at the bottom. This is just a preview. There's about like 60 or so. And again, these are all great options. You just got to go through them and put in the work, or have somebody else do it or something like that. But yeah, definitely check it out. There's an advanced strategy tab as well. So the goal here is to help you build better links, get easy free links, drive traffic to your site. These are some great resources. And again, this is through a lot of knowledge and trial and error. I have the strategy, I have footnotes. So yeah, definitely check it out. You can click the link in the description. Links should be in the description. If not, just head to our site. It's right on the homepage. And you can download it instantly. So as soon as you buy it, it'll instantly download. So yeah, that's it for this. Make sure you guys check it out. I am AISEOUX. Thank you for watching and supporting. Take care.